Hi, everyone. My name is Dr. Keisha Greene, and I will be facilitating the workshop entitled Exploring Resilience Through Overcoming the Trauma of Anti-Black Racism. I am a registered psychotherapist, and I have been practicing for 9 years in both community and hospital settings. I recently completed my doctoral degree in clinical and counseling psychology and centered my thesis particularly around the topic that I want to engage folks in a lively conversation at this year's Ontario Association of Mental Health Professionals Conference. Within the context of my presentation, I'm really hoping to have candid discussions about how race can come up in the context of therapy and how clinicians can explore the concept of race as well as experiences of racial trauma and how it impacts clients in the here and now in order to support clients towards a space of resilience, of resistance, one way they feel like they are able to fully accept who they are as Black individuals while also being able to take up space within the society that they navigate within. I'm also hoping to have conversations with all of the frontline workers and clinicians around how we take care of ourselves as we have these conversations. As somebody who spends a lot of time talking about trauma, whether CPTSD or racial trauma, it's very important for us to be able to care for ourselves so that we can show up for our clients. I'm a person who loves discussion and loves conversation, and so it will be a very interactive presentation. I look forward to seeing you all there.